I make this easy stovetop mac and cheese at least twice a month. It is honestly the best mac and cheese recipe I know. It is just as fast as the box stuff, but it tastes a million times better. To make this creamy mac and cheese, start by adding 2 cups of elbow macaroni to a pot of lightly salted boiling water and cooking until the pasta is tender but still has a slight firmness when you bite it. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a pot over medium heat. Then, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and start mixing with a whisk, while slowly pouring in 2 cups of warm milk. Keep whisking until the mixture becomes smooth and starts to thicken. Next, add the mix of salt, onion powder, garlic powder, ground mustard, and black pepper to your sauce. Stir everything together until well combined, then let the sauce cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring regularly until it thickens. Next, add 1 cup of freshly shredded sharp cheddar cheese to the sauce and stir until it melts completely. Then, add the 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella and give another quick mix. Finally, add 1/2 cup of shredded pepper jack cheese, stirring until all the cheese is fully melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy, as you see in the video here. Now add your drained macaroni to the cheese sauce. Gently fold everything together with a spoon until all the pasta is evenly coated in that creamy 3-cheese sauce. Take it off the heat once it is all mixed, so the sauce stays nice and creamy and does not get too thick. This mac and cheese has a rich cheese flavor that you can only get from using real cheese. The texture is smooth and creamy, and it coats the pasta perfectly. It tastes way better than boxed mac and cheese.
Yum!
If you liked this mac and cheese recipe, then check out also my high-protein mac and cheese recipe here with secret veggies. I found a way to make it healthier, but it still has that creamy, cheesy taste that everyone loves. Check it out now!